this is a video that I'm doing because user asked for, and is how to connect a pedal to the 450. It's very easy. Just connect the pedal on the front panel of the 450, and holding the keyer button we can reach the menu for the CW parameters. And this is CW key. Normal means that you have the dots on the left side of the paddle and the lines here. And another parameter could be CW paddle, could be key or microphone. This must be set on key. And this is the delay. This is the delay between your transmission stop and when the 450 goes back to receive. And the CW speed to be set on your comfortable speed. Going out of the menu, it's important that the keyer must be enabled, and so on the display it should be in this way. And another very important thing is to set the Vox function here, because you will enable the break-in, and now the pad is working and the radio is transmitting in CW. With your paddle. That's how to set up a CW paddle on the 450. IW2NOY.